as the boom of DeFi tokens are in the corner. Mostly traders are buying DeFi tokens and holding for the great returns. As you can check the entire chart on the CoinGecko that the DeFi token market is increasing day by day. But something like gas for ERC20 tokens increasing also, and even the speed is slowing down, so most of the new tokens move to BSC scan as it's fast, secure, and in less fee you can easily make the trades. So in this video I will share a BSC token and also I will do the price prediction of this token, but I am not the financial advisor, so you must have to check all the things before you are going to buy any token. So if you want to know more about this token, because this token will give you 20x easily, stay tuned with us.
Feel uninvited.
Taxi Finance is a decentralized ecosystem. Right now this token is available on the CoinGecko and also it is tradable on the MX exchange in USDT pair. So it is basically a decentralized ecosystem running on the Binance Smart Chain with an infrastructure that gives the platform the ability to eliminate the token's inflation. On top of that, there are tons of features help you will earn and win the tokens by swap, stake, NFT hunt, NFT betting, games, and then repeat. The supply is very limited, only and only 1 million supply, so definitely the price of this token will increase, and at the end of the video I will definitely tell you that how much the price will increase in near future, and also I will share all the features. Like the first of all, the major feature is about the exchange, how you can use this exchange. It's entirely very easy and simply you can utilize it and you can buy any token directly from it. The exchange is automated market maker AMM that allows two tokens to be exchanged on the Binance Smart Chain. With Taxi Finance, users have the authority to choose the way you earn the tokens. For the liquidity providers, automatic liquidity protocol with hyperinflation rewards for the first 2 weeks and permanent rewards for the whole remaining time. And secondly, special thing for the game owners. Taxi Finance wants to empower the game owners to earn all the game racks. The idea from the home game poker rooms basically taken up by the Taxi Finance team, where hosts get a portion of the cash flow back and forth on the table, and especially for the players. By combining the experience in providing the users with thrilling games and the expertise in blockchain technology, the team remove all the nasty signups, shady house edges, and poor player experience to create the gaming system where the users can use their skills and luck to win more Taxi tokens. I will share all the links in the description so you can easily read all the things. Now the biggest game introduced by the Taxi Finance. Basically the Taxi Finance biggest game will be a supercar race, the race where the users can use the Taxi token to own the unique NFT supercars and use it for the race. Moreover, hundreds of types of the side bets will create a hottest race course than ever. Whether you are the NFT collectors, racers, or bettors, you will have the opportunities to make a lots of profit from the race. Now talking about the price prediction of the Taxi Finance. First of all, this token is at this time only and only on MXC exchange, and you can easily purchase the token in USDT pair from the MXC exchange. From my own price prediction about this token, because the supply is entirely low and it is a BSC scan token, so definitely the price will increase up to $40 or $45, because the team is planning to list the token on some more exchanges. And as we all know, right now the best thing is about the BSC scan tokens that you don't have to pay much fee. It is entirely secure. You don't have to store your entire private keys and all, so it's a great thing. So simply you can buy the token directly from the main website, the Taxi exchange, and secondly you can buy the token from the MXC exchange. So it's a great opportunity for everyone, because right now the price is nothing. Very soon, in hardly 1 month, you'll be able to see this token at about $40. So it's your time to grab this opportunity. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button and also share it with some of your friends. And very soon I am going to make the whole video on the BSC scan tokens, and secondly I will tell you that how you can trade with BNB on the BSC scan. So that will be entirely easy for you to use and buy BSC scan tokens. So if you like this video, hit the like button. Thanks a lot.